Today I'm going to share with you one of the gems that I have found hidden in TeacherFileBox that made all the difference for my child whenever we were doing problem solving for math. So this is something that you definitely want to consider for your homeschool math curriculum. Once you've logged into TeacherFileBox.com, you're going to click on Browse by Title, and we're going to go to B for Building Math Fluency. It's down right here. And what I love about this resource, I'm going to go ahead and select grade 3 by clicking on the green arrow, is you can see that it teaches your child all of these different addition strategies. Then you have strategies for division listed next, strategies for multiplication, and then finally strategies for subtraction. There's also teaching guides right here for each one of those operations of math. Let's pull up the addition one quickly. And it gives you a preview. Now, this to me was just golden because what it does is it teaches our child that they can count up. They can find partners that make a 10. They can use double facts. They can just add a 10. They can add a 9 or an 8. They can add in small steps, and they can find hidden facts. And the lessons are already prepared for you. All you have to do is teach the little lesson and then give your child the sheet to practice. So let's pull up one just to show what that looks like. Let me go back up here to addition since we use that. Let's talk about adding with 10 partners. So in this lesson, you'll see that the review skill is right up here. Look for 10 partners in addition problems with larger numbers. So here's the demonstration. It says, look, if you have a 34 plus 6, we're going to look for how the 4 and the 6 make a 10. And so we can already know there's a 30, so we're adding 30 plus 10. And it breaks down the steps right here for you. Now, I will say that not every strategy my child loved, but at least I taught them that was a different way of thinking. And the more your child practices, then the bigger amount of tools they have in their toolbox to use whenever they do have a math problem that is a story problem or a word problem. We found this really helped increase how quickly we could solve problems in math, and it really made it a lot more fun. There are publications for grades 1, grades 2, which only are addition, subtraction, and then once you get into grades 3 and up, it gets into multiplication and division. And so I would highly recommend that you include this as part of your homeschool math curriculum. It's one of my favorite resources. If you have more questions, you can comment below this video, or you can head over to TeacherFileBox.com where you can find out even more information.